Hello and welcome to this new video on how to recover MetaMask wallet. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So if you have forgotten your MetaMask wallet, then you just need to sign into the MetaMask once more, and when you start to sign in, then you will be able to recover the first account that you have created, and you will be able to see all the information about the NFTs and tokens that you have bought previously, and you will be also able to buy and sell as well. So but if you have created previously more than one account, then you just have to look on the top of the screen. There will be account one, so you just have to click on that and a pop-up box will appear, and there will be add account or hardware wallet. So you just have to click on that, and you need to click on add a new account. Just click on add a new account, and you just have to click on that create button, and another account will be created. But this is not new account entirely, because this account is currently loading the previously loaded account of yours. So if you have created 5, 6 or 7 account, then you can just go to the account section, and you just need to click on add account or hardware wallet, and you just need to click on once more add a new account and click on the create button, and you will be able to recover all the accounts and all the wallets of MetaMask. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.